Welcome to Winging It with Huda, the Ramadan series. Today I'm going to show you a nice little suhoor idea. It's one of those things that, you know, when you've woken up so early in the morning, you're half asleep, you don't know what you're doing. Guys, I've got you covered. We're doing wraps. Not just any wraps, we're jazzing it up, and I'm gonna give you two ways to do it. One that doesn't require cooking, but the other one is literally flicking the switch for the toaster and away we go. Let's get started. Today I'm using Fettayleh's Mortadella roll and chicken roll, one in each wrap, to show you some different ideas on how you can use these. The life on these is quite a significant amount of time. For fridge, it's about 3 months, and for freezer, it's about 12 months. So, I mean, why wouldn't you go for these? You can grab these guys in the refrigeration section of your local supermarket. Okay, we're starting with the Mortadella wraps. With this, I want to put a little bit of Labneh. You know, it's a nice fresh wrap. And get ourselves a few slices of the Mortadella. And you know what? They're actually so good for kids. You know, just mix it up. Give them a bit of, you know, protein and a bit of veggies and a bit of like dairy products, all in the one wrap. To our Labneh and Mortadella, I'm going to add a few pitted olives. And now we're gonna go with, I reckon, some rocket. And then we're gonna go in with some slices of tomato. And what I'm going to do is slice up the cucumber and add that in as well. Now, I do like to drizzle a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit, because you know, it goes well with the Labneh, and we kind of got a little salad happening. So you wanna go in first, fold over, and if you like me and overstuffed it, just keep going, roll it. Now you can put a toothpick if you want to hold it, but keep the, I guess, the seam down, and then just cut that like so. And look at this baby. So that's our first wrap there. Took no time at all. I'm gonna move this plate aside and we're gonna move on to our chicken roll wrap. For this one, I'm gonna use the toaster. This is the sandwich press. And I'm just going to preheat that while we get everything else ready. Get another wrap. Now for this one, we've got the chicken roll, which I'm going to just place on the wrap. I'm gonna try and overfill this one, Mikhail.
Best as you can. You
know what? Who cares? It's nice, it's messy. That's what food's about, to enjoy it, not to skimp out on it. But you know, whatever, we'll see how we go. We've got some cheese here. I'm using the ambrosia cheese, which you can get from local delis. Yum. Our cheese is in. All right, now for a point of difference, I'm using caramelized onions for this. You can make your own, or you can buy them in a jar. Doesn't matter, this is actually store-bought, but it's like an onion jam. So delicious. It's gonna add a different depth of flavor to this wrap. Now for this one, what are we going to put? I reckon we'll go with some spinach. I'm also going to add olives to this one, some tomato, and I think some avocado. What do you reckon? I think it's screaming avocado to me. I love avocado. Do you mind getting over? Okay, we've got our avocado, and all I want to do is just quickly slice it. Oh, see, I love when I open avocados and they're like that. Okay, slice it while it's in the skin, and then just with a spoon take it out, and we'll try and assemble it on our wrap. A little bit of seasoning, because you've got the olives in there, you got the cheese, but you know, you don't want it to be too bland. And now, time to wrap and get it into our toaster. So, Oh, how are we gonna do this? I did just say I'm not gonna overfill this one. And what did I do? There we go. And quickly get it into your toaster. Done. Now, now wait for it. Gonna leave it in there until we get nice golden brown lines on it, and then it's ready to go and we're ready to taste. Time to get this baby out. Oh, yes. Yum. Look at that. That's so delicious. Just going to sprinkle a little bit of, just for the plate. Some pomegranates and a few micro herbs. You can do whatever you like. Serve it up as is. Dress it up a little bit. And there you have it. Wraps two ways, cold and hot. Beef mortadella, chicken roll. So delicious, so quick, so simple. Make it for your family this Ramadan. You won't be disappointed.